In this video you learn how to recreate this classic Commodore 64 game. This video is part 3 of a series. In this part you learn how to add game logic and move things around on the screen. If you have missed the previous parts of this tutorial, click here to start at the beginning. Otherwise, let's go. You have seen that the renderer calls the draw function to render elements. Gaming frameworks have a second important mechanism, and that is an update loop to move things around. How does that work? The first thing Alex needs to do is to create an update function. Notice that the update function has parameter dt. dt stands for delta time and is the time that has passed since the last time the function was called. Alex moves all the characters to the left. And notice that the delta time is used in the calculation. This is the crux to smooth scrolling on the screen. Even if the computer does not have the time to call the update function at a regular interval, using the delta time makes sure that the game objects are rendered at the correct position. But who is calling on update? Alex decides to use the Pyglet clock for this. The schedule function calls the onUpdate method as often as possible and will pass delta time automatically. All Alex needs to do is import clock and test the game. The text scrolls to the left. The word scrolled smoothly to the left, but then it disappeared. There needs to be some detection if the word is not typed away fast enough. For this, Alex will add a laser beam to the game. Alex adds a variable for the laser position. Its x value is at 1/5 of the screen and Alex uses a line for the laser. Line needs to be imported. And the laser needs to be drawn in the draw function. Alex tests what it looks like. Very nice, but as you can see, the word goes through the laser. Alex already created the update method, and this is where he can check for collisions with the laser. If the x value of the first character is less than the x value of the laser, the game should restart. Alex tests the game. Typing words away works, but if a word collides with the laser, the game restarts. At this point, words can also start more to the right to give the player a bit more time. Words are now moving, and if you do not type away words fast enough, the game is reset. Now it's time to add some graphical effects to the game. And to see how that works, click on the screen right now and we'll see each other in the next video.